In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Airtable. Whether you're transitioning your project management tasks or planning a major event, knowing how to import data efficiently can save you a significant amount of time. So, let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll want to open your Airtable base. This base is essentially where all your data will be organized. Think of it as the central hub where you can create different tables for different collections of information. For this tutorial, you'll need to go to the specific base where you want your new data to reside. You can navigate through your list of bases on the Airtable homepage, ensuring you select the correct one for your needs. Once you're in the right base, it's time to add or import a new table. You'll notice an option that says Add or Import, which you can simply click on. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker route, you can hit the plus icon that's located next to your existing tables. This action will open up a new menu with different choices for how you would like to add or bring in data. The next important step is deciding on your import source. In our case, you need to select a CSV file as your format. CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a commonly used format for data files and is easily exported from and imported into various software applications. By choosing CSV, you ensure that all the necessary information is structured in a way that Airtable can handle, enabling a seamless importing process. Now, as you prepare to upload your CSV file, consider checking the file to make sure all your data is formatted correctly. This can include making sure there are no empty cells that might compromise your table structure or checking for any special characters that might not translate well. A little bit of attention here can prevent headaches later. After your CSV file is all set and you've selected it, Airtable will begin processing the import. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments. Airtable will then present a preview of the data, showcasing how the columns and rows will be organized within your new table. This is your chance to review the data setup before finalizing the import. Make sure everything aligns well and corresponds with your intended layout. Finally, once you're satisfied with how the data looks in preview, you can go ahead and confirm the import. From here, Airtable takes care of the rest, integrating your data into the fresh table and making it instantly available for any collaboration, editing, or further organization you might need. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to import data into Airtable. With these steps, organizing your information into powerful databases has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more useful guides and tips. Happy organizing!